what I'm aiming to do today is got a zero turn Cub Cadet. Let's see what year it is. RZT50. Supposed to be a non-serviceable rear end. Well, this is my dad's mower, and he's had it for 18 years. So is mine. But there's no way that oil in those hydros is still good after 18 years, or not good as it should be. So I'm going to clean it all up. I'm going to put drain plugs in the rear end and fix it where it can be serviced. So that's what I'm going to do first, is clean all this old dirt mess off of it. And I'll show you when I get up under there what I'm going to do for is drilling out and tapping threads and putting a drain plugs in each side.
Needs a little cleaning.
One thing about having it jacked up like this from the back is all the oil's already run forward. And that casing right there is made out of a beer can, so it's easy to drill. Don't get too heavy-handed with it, because there's probably something up in there you don't want to punch a hole in. I don't know. And I think if I crack that,
Hold on. Trying to get a difficult position here.
crack the valve on that, just leave it sitting up in there, keep it from catching all the dirt. We'll drain that down. While that's draining, I'm gonna see if I can get that other side broke loose, the fill plug, F-E-E-L plug, and the F-I-L-L plug. You hand me that end wrench and that ratchet. Gotta put some Norway strength on this. Said you gotta reach in there and feel for it.
Can't see nothing. Careful for my camera over there too.
There ain't no reason in the world to put that on there that tight, other than keep somebody like me out of it. Let me get down there where I can get to it. The plug hole, where you normally plug it up, it's stripped out. So next best thing is try to get this on there. I'm gonna try to take the vent tube out. That's what my goal was. You'll have to fast forward through this high-powered action. And tighten that drill bit up a little. There she blows. Filling back up, you got to go through the vent tube.
So you have to go through the vent tube. Why?
Because the filler plug up there where you would normally, well, they say you don't have to service them. But anyway, we're going to service it and change the oil is what it means. But that octagon shaped deal is come off of there. I mean, it's stripped out. That's what I was talking about, the oil draining out all over your wrench.
Don't have to service it, Ma.
Yeah, look at that. How black that oil is. Wish I'd have caught some in a bottle and showed it. There's the blues. About a quarter turn back up. Quarter turn back up. Kind of clears out your hole. I mean, you ain't got to go far before you're into the bottom of it. There you go. Run at a time or two. That feels pretty good. If it don't thread right up with a new bolt going in it or your drain bolt going in it, stop. Figure it out what else it is. You only get one shot at that before you have to go to a bigger hole, bigger tap, bigger plug, and you could be got yourself into a mess.
Trying to get a good angle, but
I see what you want to do, Mr. Oil Pan. Oil Pan.
clean them up.
Ain't nothing more fun than reaching in your toolbox to get a wrench and it slides out of your hand, or nasty and greasy. To refill this thing, you're going to try to just reach in there and fill that drain plug hole. There's a hole in this one where you can access it. But there's one guy on YouTube that actually drilled a hole right above the fill hole. I wasn't going to do all that. I'm gonna thread this in there and get it in that hole. Then we're gonna pump almost 2 quarts of oil in it.
Out there. Where you put it to refill.
Now, take the other end of this rig, clean it off. Start putting some oil in.
How many does it take for each side?
56 to 58 ounces, so it's almost 2 quarts.
And you're putting that.
I don't know if that's the right kind or not.
That's the kind we're using. Raw there.
Yep.
That one is being refilled through the vent tube hole.
You see another 1 quart of oil.
How's the other thing stripped out? That's where that one's being refilled.
You're gonna get oil.
Is it going in?
Must be, it ain't running out. Now it is. I have to wait for it to leak down a little. First deal was on this mower is we're going to change the fluid in the hydros on a non-serviceable Cub Cadet. So that's on the video where we changed that. But in doing so, back tire over here. Come over here, Lula, and show. This back tire. I don't think it ain't supposed to be like that. I don't know.
Bearing problem, right?
I don't know. I'm gonna yank it off right quick and see. You don't have an impact wrench, a battery operated one. I think it's just, check that boat right there. I need a washer or something on it. Feels like it's loopy.
Wiggly.
Or maybe tighten it, I don't know. Nope. Let's see what's going on. Yep. Bottoming out. Well, if it didn't get to put these first. Nope. I mean, it ain't going nowhere, but it's loopy. That washer goes up there like that, but still able to come and go a little. Yeah, roll about 27 foot away. Maybe throw a couple more. Nope, that ain't
That
it.
don't look no good there, does it?
Let's do some figuring. Grab that off that axle that I put in old buddy's rig. There you go.
Did it fix it?
Yeah.
Wiggle. You got a lot more washers, but at least it's not wiggly.
I put some axles in a Yamaha side-by-side the other day, and they come with new axle nut and a washer. So I kept the old ones because I'm a pack rat. That washer off that axle will fit right in there, take up that slack that you need to have a similar situation.
It's warm out here.
Yeah.
Makes easy work of it right there.
Just don't want to get too silly with this one. This here wrench will ring them off. Plenty black.
Yeah, you can see through it a little bit, but it could use a change.